What's up guys, Patrick Barker, Justin Braden's mechanic for the Joe Gibbs Racing Muscle Milk Toyota Yamaha team. This is Justin's 2010 YZ450F, it's Yamaha. Justin runs a Renthal bar setup, usually a 997, kind of in a neutral position. Arc levers, same thing, kind of neutral on the bike. He's pretty picky about his controls. Renthal soft, half waffle grips. Tires today we got set up, it's supposed to be a little sandy out there. Dunlop's hooked us up with these guys, brand new. Gearing for the weekend, 13 on the front, 48 in the rear. Renthal hooked us up with sprockets for that, and RK O-ring chain on the back. Motor, it's Dean Baker and Sean at JGR. We do all our stuff in-house. Henson clutch components all inside. Showa fork on the front end, and we have our JRI shock on the rear. Bike looks good. InStyle hooks us up, makes the bike look really good. Graphics and seat covers, and Justin makes it look good on the track. So that's about it.